Hello guys, Brian back with another Vechain video. Got a pretty good video to show you today. I believe that Vechain is coming down to a major support area that we need to keep an eye on because we could have a massive bounce out of this thing coming. Alright, this is Vechain on the weekly chart right here. I'm going to zoom in here to the daily. We're going to get this, I'm going to zoom right in here on this chart, okay? Last video I did on Vechain about a week ago, I talked about a possible double bottom coming in on this thing. Alright, you can see the 50 and the 200-day moving average. We're below both of them right now. Alright, you can see this last support area that Vechain came down and hit. Okay, the last video I did, we were somewhere up in here on price. Alright, and I said that once Vechain got down to these levels, we could possibly have a double bottom coming in here. Alright, we have the RSIs on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly about to reset. So let's take a look at them right now. Let me get this off here. Let me pull the RSIs up here on the bottom of the screen. Alright, this is the daily RSI. You can see on the stochastic that we are at the bottom. That means we are way oversold on Vechain, which when a coin gets oversold, that's when you're looking for a bounce in price. Alright, if you look down at the bottom, the regular RSI is down to a 35. If we go to the weekly on this thing, the weekly for Vechain is just about to reset. Okay, I'm making this video in the eastern United States. By tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. it should be very close to the bottom. Okay, and you can see on the regular RSI down below that we're right in the middle. Okay, so we're not oversold or overbought there, but we're getting very close to the bottom. The monthly has just flipped bullish. Okay, Vechain on the monthly RSI, this is the first time technically that this thing has hit the bottom on the RSI. So you can see the bear market, how it came down on this RSI down to the bottom. It was right through here. Now it's flipping up and it has turned bullish. It's at a 25.92 and a 25.78, just barely, but it has turned bullish. Alright, now if we get back into that daily chart, I want to zoom in on this thing and show you guys what I'm talking about by double bottom. If you don't know, alright, I'm going to show you a double bottom pattern right here. A double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern that forms after a significant downtrend. The pattern is created when the price action tests a key support level twice and fails to break below it. This creates a W-shaped pattern on the chart that is used by traders to signal a potential reversal in the trend. The double bottom pattern is a relatively simple one to identify and trade. The key is to wait for a confirmed breakout above the resistance level created by the pattern. In this article we will discuss how to identify and trade the pattern. Alright, you can see the double bottom right here, and you can see the W-shaped formation that it makes doing so. Alright, now let's go back to Vechain. I'm going to get my pen out here. You can see we came down, hit this bottom once, okay, came back up, came back down. The key is we need to hold that area. Alright, and then we could possibly have a double bottom coming in here. Alright, now that key zone to hold could be anywhere through here. Alright, this is all support. You don't draw support lines, you draw support zones. Okay, this was all support back through here. Okay, then resistance. It was support up here, then it turned into resistance down here. Alright, you came back up here, we bounced on the support. We came up here to a, what is that on the Fibonacci? I'm kind of curious myself. I haven't looked at that. Came up to a 618. Okay, then we got rejected off that. Now we're heading down to see if we can bounce off this level again, which would be super bullish. Okay, Bitcoin is actually, right now, Bitcoin is coiling up. It's in a wedge pattern. I'm going to show you that right now because we all know that Bitcoin runs this show. So if Bitcoin breaks out, the rest of the coins break out. And you can see Bitcoin is riding right on that 50 EMA. Alright, it's getting to the to the point here where something is going to happen. This wedge is just getting too tight now. We're either going to break up or break down, one of the two. If we zoom out here on the 4 hour, let me move these RSIs down for you. You can see the 4 hour, we're getting ready to get a bounce on that RSI, but you can see the way we've bounced up and down through here. Okay, then on the 4 hour, the moving averages are definitely tightening up on here. Let's go out to the 12 and the 8 and get a look here. The 12 hour RSI. Okay, you can see that it actually wants to start curving up. Alright, and down at the bottom we're only at a 51. So this thing definitely could break out of this thing at any time. Alright, usually Sundays in the United States, for some reason, we have some kind of move out of this market. You know, more often than not. Okay, usually Sunday nights, or if something's going to break, it usually happens then. I don't know why. I've been in crypto a long time, 4.5 years now, and for some reason it seems like Sunday nights, you know, maybe it's just in my head, I don't know, but it seems like Sunday nights are really good for some reason, and really good or really bad, one of the two. So we need to see Bitcoin obviously break out of this pattern. That would get Vechain flying, and that would be great. I would like to see it come down and touch that bottom to confirm this double bottom and confirm that support. That would be super bullish for this thing. So I'm going to keep an eye on this, and I will definitely keep you guys informed. This thing could drop down to the 0.0195 to 0.0185 area. Anywhere through here would be support. So please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I would appreciate that so very much. Helps me out a lot, and you guys mean everything to me. Thank you so much for all the support out there. All right, I'll talk to you guys very soon.